Welcome to the Missouri Business Podcast. The show is chock full of insight on what it's like to start, stop, and drive a thriving business in our great state. Each episode, we'll dive into the mind of a Show Me State business owner so you can avoid their mistakes and glean their expertise for your gain. Now, here's your host, John Piazza Norton.
Hey everybody, it's John Piazza Norton, the Main Street Business Mentor, back again with the Missouri Business Podcast. I'm here with Christina Grimes.
Yep, hi guys.
The owner of D&G, the owner of Cafe Acoustic. Mm-hmm. Anything else?
It's all Shiro. That's enough for me right now.
That's enough for
That's
you.
enough for me right now.
What we're going to do is we're going to go through the who, what, when, where, and why Christina chose to tackle this animal over the last 4 years, and share a little bit about the contest that we're going through and a little bit about our menu. Mainly about kind of where you started when you thought, hey, I'm going to buy this place.
Oh, I know, right?
what went through your head?
Oh, wow.
And 4 years later, what's going through your head now?
Well, I mean, we had Cafe Acoustic up the road for many years.
Right.
And originally with that, I was teaching special ed in high school.
Right.
And Steve's like, hey, I think we should buy a bar. And I'm like, it's a great idea. Sure, let's do that.
Yeah.
Well, we were helping the girls out up there for a couple weekends. We kind of got the feel of it, kind of liked it and stuff. And
nice.
We both have some fun personalities to be able to do something like that. So,
well, you do have
let's do that.
Yeah.
So we did it, and it was fun. We produced 1,700 shows up there at that little bitty stage.
Very cool.
So the opportunity came that D&G was a friend of ours, owned the building and everything.
Okay.
He really wanted to see D&G come alive again. He wanted to find some people that could bring D&G alive.
Because you could sell something to anybody. So
Yeah.
that's enough money.
Well, yeah.
But if you want a legacy to continue, that's a big
you got to
difference.
find the right people to put that into place. And
Yeah.
I was raised in this place, and Steve had Sunday dinners here almost every Sunday with his family when he was a kid.
Right.
So we both had history with it, and it was so devastating to this town when it closed.
Yeah.
So we were like, let's do that.
Very
And we
cool.
saw this room on the other side of the wall here, and Steve had a vision to turn that into Cafe Acoustic Concert Hall. And I just kept looking around at it. I was like, you gotta be kidding me. You want to do what with this space?
Yeah.
'Cause, I mean, it was disaster. So we had to gut the whole room.
Yeah.
So once we gutted that and got everything rolling with that side, we got the D&G open first, and then we worked on this afterwards.
Right.
4 years later, just seems like it was a blink of an eye.
I bet.
Went through a lot of ups and downs, and literally went to school on how to run a restaurant, that's for sure.
Yeah.
Because, I mean, I'd never done it before.
Sure.
So it took a lot of good influences around, a lot of people that knew what they were doing to kind of give me some guidance along,
Right.
and had a lot of good people helping me out over the years.
Well, I think being one of the good people yourself has really helped you out. Like when you go around town and just delivering stuff, just because.
I enjoy that.
No, I think that's really cool.
It's like my passion, man, just to be able to help people and people that need it. And if I have something to give, I'm just going to. That's just who I am.
I love it.
That's how I was raised. I don't know any other way to be.
And that's really how this whole podcast started. It's
Yeah,
really
that's what
how
you're mentioning.
It's how the Commerce Connection Quest started. That I'm so glad you guys are a part of.
Yeah.
So, as most of the viewers know at this point, if they don't, they need to go back and watch.
Yes.
The Commerce Connection Quest is really just taking some photos of some great windows around town.
All local businesses, yeah.
The D&G has the smallest windows.
Very tiny. They're like this
They're
big.
like portholes on a ship. And so we said no, because they have this.
Yeah.
And
it's beautiful.
It's,
Turned out great.
Now tell me the artists that went in and did this.
They signed the wall for us. You probably can't see it on there, but
Right.
Devin Halbert and Andrew Huffman worked 9 weeks on this, and boy, did they did a phenomenal
They
job.
knocked it out of the park.
They had a couple other artists come help out.
Okay.
Chris Baines and Indigo. Those two showed up and helped out sometimes throughout the course of a bit. Drew and Devin did the bulk of everything up here. And,
Nice.
it's a beautiful mural, and
Yes.
it expresses both logos. We have Cafe Acoustic Concert Hall and D&G as a merge.
Yep.
And the artists that we chose to put on here are the musicians inside the D&G menu that are the most popular selling items in the menu.
Very nice.
So we chose to pick those, and correlation as well with Cafe Acoustic Concert Hall.
Let's talk about the menu since
Sure.
you brought it up.
Everything's named after musicians that have passed on.
Yes.
People message me all the time, oh, what about this guy? And I'm like, is he dead? I'm like, he's not dead yet. Don't wish him dead. It's past musicians that have made influences on all of us. And I mean, there's there's thousands to choose from.
Yeah, there are. But you can't have thousands of menu items.
No.
Because
so we spent a lot of time. We spent 6 months on the menu, and some of my bartenders and staff worked on it with me, and Steve as well. And we all kind of brainstormed some ideas and bounced them back and forth, and that's what we come up with.
Very nice. And it's crowd favorites. I mean,
sure.
The morel mushroom.
The morel mushrooms are very popular
seasonal,
right now. They're seasonal, so we're doing those on burgers and tenderloins, and those are extremely popular right now.
Very cool. Very cool.
The Mushroom King himself, gets those for us. He's the only one in this area that has a commercial license to sell to businesses. So
that's incredible.
That's what he does. So I mean, we're not going out picking them ourselves.
You don't have a license.
Come from,
oh yeah.
Yeah, we do.
Bang.
Yeah, we do. I wouldn't be doing it if we didn't.
No, for
have
sure.
That, so
very cool.
But yeah, so that's been going over really well, and we take the Jim Morrison and the Johnny Cash and basically put the fried morels on top and create a new sandwich with it. So many people come, they're like, oh, I can't wait to come back next time and try this. It's a menu that really just brings people in.
Yeah.
It brings people in because they look at all the names and they want to try the different items, and that helps tremendously because it gives them something to look forward to for the next time.
Gotcha. So the next time that you are here, and you come and you eat this sandwich or that sandwich or the other one, come out back. That's where the mural is in the back.
Take your picture.
Come here and take the picture. Post the picture to their Facebook, the business Facebook page, and then tag at Missouri Business Podcast. This could be stop number 1. If you do that, for all the locations that are located on the app, you get one of these. This is for Cancun. This is the one that we're going to give away at the golf tournament on the 17th of July that's coming up for the Pregnancy Resource Center. But you can have your own, and it can be for so many different places. There's India, there's the Philippines, there's tons of places you can choose from of what you're comfortable.
Of course.
Some people aren't comfortable, and that's cool. You could just go to Branson.
You could.
There's a Branson trip.
4 hours.
It costs you literally $100 and some for the taxes and fees. You're there. Go enjoy yourself. Take the family, but also take the family out. Take some pictures.
Yeah.
It's a lot of fun. The boys go out and do it with me.
Sure.
Just a lot of fun. They draw out the map.
Nice.
And so
I believe we're the only one with the mural.
You're the only one with the mural.
Everyone else says look for the front door, front window casing.
Angry Swede has their flag.
Sweet.
Because they've got the frosted glass.
Aren't they fun?
They're just like you do with your Facebook page. We do a lot of local stuff.
Collaborating, and that's important.
Why would you not?
Why would you not?
Why would you not? For. Yes, let's all
collaborate
work together.
With everyone.
Let's figure it out.
It's not a competition. It's collaboration.
It's not.
I can get more local businesses to understand that. It would be a godsend.
And we're doing that. And so,
sure.
As we continue to grow the quest, if you know of a business you think would be a good fit, I would love to know that. Is there anything else you want to share with the folks?
I mean, I'm good for now. Just do your part and check out all the different places
Absolutely.
And get involved with this. I mean, it's a cool idea that he's come up with, and I think it's something that could really help bring some collaboration to the town. So.
Foot traffic. That's what it's all about. Well, that's all the questions that I had for today. Again, come check out the menu. Come check out Cafe Acoustic.
Get your picture taken.
Absolutely get your picture taken. You're doing concerts already?
Minimal.
Smaller groups?
Smaller groups.
Okay.
Just get on the website or check the Facebook page for Cafe Acoustic Concert Hall and stay up to date on all that.
Yep. And so it's building.
It's building.
It'll come back.
It'll come.
Facebook page?
D&G Pub and Grub or the Christina Grimes Pub and Grub.
Yes. The Pub and Grub page has pig on it.
Yeah. Smoking pig.
That's how I find it all the time.
It's got that smoking pig.
And what's the telephone number if they want to call an order?
It's 816-671-1141.
Awesome. Thank you so much for letting us stop by tonight. Again, my name is John Piazza Norton with Missouri Business Podcast, and we will see you guys next time.
Thanks for joining us for this edition of the Missouri Business Podcast. Make sure to visit our website, MissouriBusinessPodcast.com, where you can subscribe to the show on iTunes, Spotify, or Stitcher so you get the ding when the next one is out. And if you have a question to pose on the show, just shoot us a comment on the website or like the John Piazza Norton Facebook fan page for direct access. Be sure to tune in next time when we squeeze the brain of another business leader for your benefit. Talk is cheap. I'm from Missouri. You have got to show me. See you next time.